I have a 2010 Chevy Camaro. It's got a code P0008 and P0017. It's actually timing code. I have done it like 6-7 times. I always switch or swap the cam sensor and the all solenoid sensor from the right bank to the left bank, see if the code will be changed or the same, and it's always still the same. I did flush the oil, flush the engine oil, and I changed the oil, and the same code came back on. There's no rattling noise, nothing. The car drives fine, but the code oil was showing up after even 1 mile. And you see the problem here, because it's the right bank. You see, this time in stretch. So I'm going to replace the timing kit. 3.6 GM is always have the same problem everywhere. This is the kit I got from World Pack. It's about $240, and I'm going to replace it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the channel.